Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about how to make a admission form design in Microsoft Word. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us discuss the concept how to make a admission form design in Microsoft Word. Now let us see. See here, first of all, okay, so I am typing the school name and center align. I am clicking on center align to come this text in the center of the document. Okay, right. After that, right. After that, in insert tab from shapes, I am taking the text box and I am writing here admission form, admission form. So I'm making it bold. Okay, so now I am moving with space bar, right? After that, click on format tab and no fill and no outline. Okay, or can give the outline. After that, so here I am typing student's name. So here I am changing the font, Times New Roman, students. So I am removing the bold. Okay, student's name. Okay, right. Father name. After that, mother name. After that, Aadhaar card number. After that, date of birth. Enter. After that, gender. Enter. Nationality. Phone number. Address. Okay, right. So keep the cursor here and press tab button on the keyboard. Again tab button. Here keep the cursor here, press tab button, again tab, 2 times tab button. Here listen carefully, click on insert tab. In the insert tab, click on shapes. From shapes I am taking this rectangle, draw a rectangle here, small rectangle. Okay, no fill, again no outline. Here you have to give the outline like this. See here, right. Okay, after this we have to press Ctrl plus D. You observe here. So one more, so we have to attach like this. Again we have to press. Right, again we have to press Ctrl plus D. So select this one, Ctrl plus D. Again we have to adjust like this. Again select this one, again Ctrl plus D. Again Ctrl plus D. So like that we have to again Ctrl plus D. So like that, once we have to take this one. Again Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D. So we have to adjust like this. Again press Ctrl plus D. So how many boxes we want, that many times you have to press the Ctrl plus D. Just adjust here. Okay, right. After that we have to select all the boxes, objects. See here, first select this one, press the shift button in the keyboard and select all the buttons. Select all the buttons. After that, copy and click on paste. See, so just adjust here. So that's it. See here. After that, again Ctrl plus V, bring here. Again Ctrl plus V, bring here. Again Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus V, again Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus V, okay. So we have to adjust like this. Okay, right. After that, we have to space should be more. Okay, select all. After that, click here and go for 2.0. See. Okay, right. Here we have to give the Gender, click tab button, again tab button, male, tab, female, female. So click on insert tab. In the insert tab we have to take this one, okay. So now fill outline. Which outline? This one. Copy, paste. Right? Okay, right. After this, click on insert tab, shapes, take the rectangle, click on shape fill, no fill, and wait. So this one, okay. Right click here. So right click here, add text. Here we can type. Right. Okay. Right. After that, date, tab, press the tab button, TU or a signature of the student. Okay. After that, click on page layout, page borders. Here you have to choose the border, this border, and color. Which color you want? Red color or blue color. Enter button. Yes, just okay. Right. So here click on format, outline, choose the outline here, color. Which color? Choose the color. Okay. After this, if we want to insert the logo, means just right click, copy here, paste. After that, in front of text, okay. So this is how so we can design the application form in Microsoft Word. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. So thank you so much for watching this video.